up, my DIY nomads? I hope all of you guys are doing really, really well today. We are back at it. We are going to be tackling and getting done the raised up cabinet bit. That's the one. I need to install the lighting, put the door back on. Okay, I'm going to lie to you guys. I did do a bit of work behind camera. I'm really sorry. Please don't hate me. This little thing in the background is actually the door. I wanted to get it on first because I wanted to see if everything was fitting anyway. It was also a bit of a time consuming thing because I was doing something in there that I'm going to show you at the end of the video, so stay tuned and watch all of it. I'm going to show you a little cool add-on, a little modification that I thought of and I really like the idea of. So that's going to be added in as well. But we've got quite a few things to get done today on that, so a bit of refining. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed already, please click the subscribe button, and if you're really keen, turn on those notifications so you can keep up to date with when my videos get released. One thing I think also needs to be added is what did Hugh do wrong in the last video section. So a bunch of you really, do you know what, I really do appreciate it, because obviously I'm not a professional, and you guys are helping me build the best van this van can possibly be. So some of you guys mentioned about the strength of my unit. I'm going to be screwing it directly into the metal ribs with a few screws as well, so do not worry about that. It's going to be in there very solidly, so that's going to be good. The solar panels, I have no ventilation underneath them, which will decrease their efficiency from the heat build-up, so I'm going to add some sort of venting. That I won't cover that in this video. I'll show it later down the line. I just don't have the time. I've got so many jobs to get done today. Another one or two of you eagle-eye viewers also pointed out that the broken piece of cladding that's still in here from when I fitted the roof hatch. I will do my darndest. I will actually replace that in this video at some point. But it shouldn't be too bad. It's only like a metre long, so yeah, good to go. Apart from that, let's get cracking. So now that the door is on, it annoyingly doesn't close all the way to the roof like that. Hangs down about there, which is fine. I mean, like, I'm glad I didn't have it coming down like an extra shelf, because that would have been like cutting into my mouth, and that would have been just really, really annoying. But I'm thinking might do the old magnet trick and see if I can find some like bigger neodymium magnets online that I can like put behind the cladding. And then I'm going to like drill into the corner of these woods here, so it's like really hidden away, so you don't see it from the outside, but get some like more powerful ones, and hopefully that would be like stick it to the roof, which would be nice. But yeah, as you can see from behind here, I've also added this little, I had this little crate lying around, so I did two like little stop blocks, and it just means that I can have this crate in there holding like smaller objects, like maybe like spices and all that sort of stuff. As I said earlier, the thing that I'm going to show you at the end of the video, I'm going to put here, I have a little bit of space at the end of that. Then I've got my other bit of storage here that I'll probably put like cups and other things like that. And I've got my little like sort of almost spice rack thing. So yeah, it should free up all the space in the pantry, which is really good. So I just went and raided the shed, and currently the only like long enough piece of LED strip that I can find in there, unless I wire two cut pieces together, is some RGB, you know, the red, green, blue LED strip, the one that can change colour basically. I'm going to give it a go actually. I'm going to see what it is. What I'll do is I'll use the controller just to basically program in. I'll keep the controller in here, but I'll program in like a nice warm light, and it should remember that light colour. So every time I turn it on, it will just, that's what it'll be on. I'd be quite interested to see if I have it permanently on and I switch it off my control panel and I have it wired into there, whether when I turn that on it will turn it on, or whether I have to turn that on and then turn the controller on. If that's the case, I'll just try and wire up that other piece, because that's just going to be such a faff anyway. I know it sounds tacky. I don't really usually like the RGB LED strip. Like I just personally prefer one sort of like warm or cool light, but you could actually theoretically, you know, use all the different colours in here and maybe like use like a red colour at night or something, so that you can have light but not like raid your eyes with like really bright light and then make yourself feel really awake. So actually maybe it might come in useful, so we'll see. So currently I've got the 240 volt sort of adapter thing at the moment, just to see if it works. So pa-pow. Ooh, nice. Well, would you look at that, guys and girls? It's a disco. So here I am, I'm just fitting basically the wire for the LED strip now into the back of the control panel. So this basically, this left hand switch I have will be the on off switch for those lights. I'm actually going to look at rebuilding one of these myself, because although I really like this control panel, I want to try and do something really cool and gnarly looking. So I decided that I'm going to make a change. I'm probably going to look at building one of these in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for one of those videos. So that'll be great going. So now I need to connect up this negative brown wire to the block there, and then that takes it to the negative. That completes the circuit, and then I'm ready to connect it up to the actual LED strip. So the LED adapter, this little 240 volt connection you get, comes with one of these ends. It's not going to focus, is it? Comes with one of these ends. So I've had some of these lying around for a while. They're basically exactly the same end, the male end, but they come with two screw points. Yeah, that's it, focus. So right, same thing. It comes with two, so you put the positive and the negative in, and you can screw them down. Really good for sort of hobby work. Even come with the positive and the negative written on the side there. And that means I can hook up this cable onto there, put it in, and we're rocking and rolling. It's a very, very nice and quick, simple, easy job. There we go. About a minute later, it's all wired up. So let's plug that in, and here we go. Hey! So we have got full RGB What I'm just going to do now is wrap this up with some sort of electrical tape to make sure there's no chance that either the cables is going to touch and short circuit. So tied it away, and I've got the little infrared sensor there for the remote control, but it's all stored behind there. Look at all of this storage, but this is the surprise, so I'm going to stop here, show you guys in a second. But this is amazing. I've got all my cups and all my bowls, cups, cookingware, all my utensils are in this thing. I've got loads of space still on this top here, all my cutlery there. Oh, glorious. Which also means that I've got all of that space in my pantry and basically all of it down there, which is amazing. Last little job for the day is, hey, I repaired the broken bit of cladding. So thank you for all of you guys. Genuinely, I am actually thankful for you guys pointing that out, because sometimes jobs get put to the side, and I knew that without someone just telling me, you know, I probably would have put that to the side and not actually done it for ages. So thank you actually, Jenny, for that. If you guys see anything else weird or off in the van, please let me know. Don't say myself, because I know I'm weird enough, but Yeah, just let me know, and I will. You guys pestering me is good because it keeps me focused. So I'm super chuffed with all those modifications, and this has been a fantastic addition to the van. So much is going to be able to be stored in there. It's going to be really, really useful. But I still haven't showed you what I said I'll show you at the end of the video, and that is my brand new little wine rack, or alcohol rack, whatever you want to go for really. And the great thing is it slides out as well. So now I can just choose a fine bottle, take it out, enjoy, and then just put it back and store away whenever I need to put it away. Easy. I also made sure to orientate the bottles this way round because that's the front of the van. So if I break, the bottles hopefully won't come flying out. There's a lot of resistance there, but I might look at adding maybe like a little, just like a little fabric strap, maybe like almost like an elastic band, but like something that looks nice that will just hold down the necks in case I go over like a big bump. Another fantastic day's work, so happy with the results, and thanks for just following along. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch all of you DIY nomads next time.